All right, Algebra 1B students. Welcome to our Chapter 9 quiz discussion. Today in class we took a quiz on the first part of Chapter 9. I was asking us to solve quadratic equations, graph some quadratic equations, and we're going to discuss a little bit. The quizzes that I received today at the end of class make a few things very apparent. We'll go through a few of those things and then talk about how we are going to move forward from here. Number one, we are not ready to move on to the second half of Chapter 9. None of us are. Mostly because we have some serious misconceptions about what these sections are asking us to do. We also have not been asking enough questions while working on our practice problems in class. Now, on this point, I know it can be difficult when I'm working with other students, but we need to keep asking questions when we don't understand how to do things, whether it is a certain property you don't understand, whether it's a certain step in a process that you don't understand, whether it's the setup to a problem you don't understand. We need to be asking questions so that you are prepared when we get to a quiz to be doing things on your own without my help, because that's what a quiz is supposed to look like, you showing me what you can do without my help. And finally, that quiz may have been a little bit too hard. So the graphs may have been a little bit too difficult with all of the, being off of our regular 10 square graphs. So I apologize for that, that those got a little bit outside of the realm that we're used to. So those four things are what I learned even while class was going on and we were working on quizzes. These things became very, very apparent to me. So, up until break, we'll try again. We'll take 4 more days. That would be Thursday, Friday, next week Monday, Tuesday, to review what these sections are asking us to do and the steps that we have to find them. We will then retake the quiz before we leave for Christmas. Okay. So let me be clear. I'm not mad at you. It's just apparent that we're not ready to go on, so we won't. So this is not a new video about a new section. It's just sort of a discussion, and then we will discuss more in class tomorrow of what this is going to look like. I will have a bunch of probably worksheets. I may even make some note sheets for you to go through certain steps, write down formulas. However, I am slightly disappointed in the amount of notes that we apparently have for things. A lot of these problems when we're solving quadratics, they take multiple steps, and it doesn't seem that anybody's really writing themselves down any steps to follow. You're just hoping you can remember them. So we have things we need to discuss, things that we need to work on, and up until break we will try again on these quiz topics, graphing quadratics and solving them. Okay, that's all I have for you tonight. You got kind of a night off. It's only 4-minute video so far, so enjoy your night, and we'll get back to work tomorrow.